Myself Kanchan Bhatt, Department of Botany, Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya. Today's topic is senescence of leaves. So now, what is senescence? The degradative changes are finally leading to death of an organ called senescence. During this process, protein, chlorophyll and nucleic acids become broken down into simpler compound, and such simpler compound such as sugar, amino acids and other metabolites. These soluble substances are exported out of the leaf to the other plant parts. The leaf becomes chlorotic, it dries up and it falls down. So here the senescence can be greatly delayed if a small quantity of cytokinin is applied to the leaf or added to the water in which the leaf is kept. Cytokinin delay the onset of senescence. So it is also the maintain the level of metabolites by preventing their degradation. So synthesis is called as cytokinin of these substances. Now, types of senescence. There are 4 types of senescence: whole plant senescence, shoot senescence, simultaneous senescence and sequential senescence. So this is the whole plant senescence. In this type of senescence, the whole plant dies after producing seeds. For example, rice, wheat and mustard. The next is shoot senescence. In this type of senescence, the above ground part of the shoot does each year after flowering and fruiting, but the underground part survive and put out new shoot again next year. For example, banana plant. After this, simultaneous senescence. This type of senescence is also called as deciduous senescence. All the leaves are shed simultaneously. It is called simultaneous senescence. In this diagram, the white shaded part is totally senescence. So this type of senescence is called as simultaneous senescence. Sequential senescence. Sequential senescence is commonly known as progressive senescence, which is found in many perennial plants. Tips of maintained shoot and branches remain meristematic state and continue to produce new buds and leaves. So, in this figure, there are 4 types of senescence or types of senescence in plants. In this figure, the white shaded part represent the tissues that becomes senescence and dies. Overall senescence means whole plant senescence. Top senescence means shoot senescence. Deciduous senescence means simultaneous senescence, and the last progressive senescence means sequential senescence. This is the some significance of senescence. Now, abscission of leaves. This is the another part of senescence of leaves. So in this diagram there are 3 figures of abscission in leaves. The first figure will be show petiole showing abscission zone with the protective layer. So this is the B will be magnifying section of the abscission of leaf. This is the magnified view of separation layer. Abscission of leaves is separation of leaves particular region from the particular region of the plant. This particular region of the plant is known as abscission of leaves. This separation of leaves from the particular region of the plant without causing any injury is called leaf abscission. Abscission is a very common phenomenon in the vascular plants. During this phenomenon, leaves are separated from the stem without causing any injury or wounding of the tissue of stem, and the newly exposed surface is also protected from infection. This is the leaf abscission. Is the another figure is leaf abscission, separation within the abscission zone and initiation of periderm. In this separation there is a protective layer, and this protective layer is distinguished between primary and secondary protective layer, that is called as periderm.